Hi friends, it's Lisa Hetrick, illustrator for Gina K Designs, and I'm so grateful you could join me today. I have a brand new die set to share with you. Let's dive in and take a look. Okay friends, let's take a look at Basket of All Seasons Summer. Here is this super cute, small but mighty die set. That is the strawberry die set that coordinates with the Basket of All Seasons. So let's go ahead and do a quick refresher. The Basket of All Seasons basket set came out in the fall, and it's a multi die set with lots of different elements in it. And I have designed several die sets that coordinate with this die set, and they also stand alone. So this die set is super fun. You can make a really large basket with it, and it's also kind of a gift card holder. So we've got lots of different elements that coordinate with that. Then we had the winter set that came out, and the spring set with the pansies, which I absolutely love. And today we have the Basket of All Seasons summer die set. So let's dive in and take a look at some of the inspiration. Okay, this inspiration is just super fun. I really, really like this card. I've got this grouping of strawberries. I also used a stencil from one of my other stamp sets, and then When You Can't Find the Sunshine, Be the Sunshine. Just kind of went back and looked at some of the stencils and some of the sentiments in my stash from my collection and just added them to the projects that I'm sharing with you tonight. Now, here's an example of one of them. This is the vase from La Dolce Vita, and I just thought it would be really, really fun with Favorite Flora that's coming out tonight, and just kind of having these strawberries coming out of the vase, sort of like a strawberry vase. And just, it's got this Mediterranean look to it, and it's got these really fun strawberries. One thing I'm going to share with you, you can see that little glimmer of clear dot that I've put on the strawberries. That was created using Connect glue, and I just did little droplets of the Connect glue and let it dry. It was kind of a happy accident. I had done it by accident, put it on some of the strawberries, walked away from the project because I was going to come back and adhere it to something, and I didn't. And then I just saw when it dried, it made these really cute little droplets, and it just added a little bit of extra texture with the glue I was already using. So super fun. Okay, this is a really fun card, just really clean and simple. I used the frame from the tea set that just recently came out in my collection, added Have a Lovely Day, and just have this really cute little grouping with the strawberry here. Now, I couldn't go without creating something with watercolors, and this is just a super fun card. I've been using a lot of stamp sets and die sets and just adding watercolor to them. This is really perfect for that, just taking and dropping in a little bit of watercolor to create this little strawberry grouping, and then just a little bit of fun brushwork just to kind of make it super cute. And again, sentiment free, because I haven't added the sentiment yet. I've been doing that a lot with cards during the releases and just adding sentiments later when I want to use the card. Okay, here's a really fun card, and I used one of the Picture Perfect Greetings, the Happy Birthday to You. I thought this would be a really fun birthday card. Really fun little grouping here of strawberries, and also using that stencil from my collection as a little backgrounder. Now, I just thought that this would be a really fun tag project too. So in the Basket of All Seasons die set, we've got this really fun tag that fits inside the basket for that you could use for a gift card. But how fun is it to use this and just kind of make a tag out of it and put it on? Maybe you make strawberry jam in the summer. Wouldn't that be super fun to kind of pop that on there and just add that to the little homemade gift? And then I wanted to point out on the card, this card, and on this tag, I did the same thing with the Connect glue with the strawberries, and it just adds that really fun little extra texture that is a little bit like water droplets. Okay, friends, there's one more thing I want to share about this die set that makes it just kind of fun and interesting. So the die has the complete strawberry background, and then it also has the element that you can lay over top that has the little tiny seeds. So the really cool thing about that is that the seeds can pop out, but you can also leave them in, like I shared in this card. And you can just add a little bit of color to them, or you can also, I think I did a couple samples like that. Let me just share this really fun tag again. You could pop back in some of the seeds that came out of the die, just pop them back in. And I popped 3 yellow ones right here and just kind of left those, the base color of that strawberry right there. So super fun. So you have lots of versatility with this little die where it can pop out the seeds for you and you can just show through what's in the back or not. Okay, friends, like as with all of my releases, I do have a very small Basket of All Seasons summer download to kind of show you the dies and how they work together, and then to also show you the proportion in which they work with the basket, which I have showed you that here as well. So you can grab this in the Gina K Designs Facebook group or head on over to my website at indigojadeart.com and grab it in the freebies section there. So let's take a look at the die set again. Super fun. It's really cute, small but mighty, super, super fun. Basket of All Seasons Summer is available now in the Gina K Designs What's New section. Super, super fun. At the inspiration for Basket of All Seasons Summer. I'm super excited about this strawberry set. It's just super clean, super fun, easy going. And I really, really enjoyed creating it for you. You can find Basket of All Seasons Summer in the Gina K Designs, on GinaKDesigns.com in the What's New section. And I know you're going to love it. Okay, friends, I'm going to be going live Wednesday this week at noon. So over the lunch hour with a brand new card tutorial. And I'm going to be doing a really fun mashup with some of stamped elements, stencil elements, and we're going to use the Basket of All Seasons Summer and some watercolor. We're just going to have some fun so that I can introduce this die set to you and jumpstart your inspiration for it.
Thanks so much for watching. Please consider sharing the joy by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. And you can watch more card and watercolor tutorials here. Thanks so much.